Welcome to Physinews Media video official video. Let me make this a quick one. I got some DM about some users that they are this thing. Their LIO is not showing the way mine is showing here. So some complain they are not seeing this thing here. This thing here. I receive address, and some say they are not seeing this here. Coming, let me know this thing. This one here. This one here. So they are not seeing it on their app. So if you want to see all this and you see your transaction history, maybe you receive or you transfer to us or whoever, the best thing for you is just to head down to Play Store. Head down to Play Store, then search for head down to Play Store. Where's my Play Store? Head down to Play Store, then search for LIO. Search for LIO. 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 Search for LIO, then choose. Then you see updates. You click on the app and you see uninstall. You see uninstall. Here you see updates. So click on updates. So right here you see updates. So click on updates. Once you click on updates, then allow the once it happens, open it, then access your wallet on the app. If you still have this difficulty, you still have any difficulties in seeing your wallet address and in seeing other thing on the app, other features on the app, please feel free to drop your comments. Please drop your comment, and you are also free to message me one-on-one on WhatsApp.
If you borrow 100,000 naira for 45 days,
so you need to just message me on WhatsApp, then I will come to your assistance. And if there's any other further question, please feel free to drop, and feel free to share this video so that you can help and educate others that are having difficulties on their LIO. So whoever you refer that is having issues, feel free to share the video link to them. Thank you. Please subscribe so that you can help the ministry. Thank you. More updates is I'm making some video on more updates on the apps and more videos on this scam wallet, quantum wallet. Please stay tuned. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.